Hi guys, so I thought today could be a bit of a more laid back video. So I want to do a natural, everyday, normal person type look, not like colorful and bold, just like an everyday, like going to work or going to school or going to Cup, type of look. So let's get right into it. I already washed and moisturized my face. So first step will be brows. I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in light. Also the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil. And then a tiny angled brush. This is technically an eyeliner brush, but I use it for my brows. Since brows take a bit, I'm just going to quickly do that and I will be right back. Alright, so I quickly did my brows. Now I'm going to prime my eyes using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I find this concealer works really, really well as a eye primer. And then just blend that out using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Oh, look at that. Alright. Let me fix that real quick with a bobby pin. Alright, and then I'm going to take the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take a little bit of the shade right here, Lunar Eclipse. And I'm just going in really lightly, making sure to tap off my brush so that it's not too bold, because I want this to be a more natural look. By the way, this is the FARAH 35 EM mini tapered brush. And then I'm going to take just the tiniest bit of Storm Dust right here and put it on the outer corner right here. And then I'm going to go back in with the orange shade Lunar Eclipse lightly and just blend over that one more time. And then I'm going to take this Glow Mason Live Love Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Stiletto. I actually just got this today and I really wanted to play with it. And it is so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Okay, let me pull up a flashlight so you can get the full effect of this gorgeousness. Okay. Look at that. So obviously, if you didn't want something so glittery, you don't have to use something so glittery. There's other shades in this palette that would have been really pretty. Either Fireball or Eternal Light would be really pretty as well, or any other shade from another palette, Or you could go in, if you want an even softer look, you could go in with a matte, really light shade as your lid color. That would also be pretty too. But love that. And then instead of going in with a harsh black liquid liner, I'm going to go in with the shade right here, Zero Gravity, and this angled eyeliner brush. It's the Real Techniques brow brush. So I use an eyeliner brush for my brows and a brow brush for my eyeliner. You don't have to use things as it's said to be used on the packaging. You can use it however you want. But yeah, all right. So I'm going to take a little bit of Zero Gravity and just place it right here and kind of smudge it to get kind of that smudgy eyeliner look. Again, you can skip this step. I just like that it adds a little bit of like definition. See, I just did a light smoky little wing right there. I'm gonna do that on the other side. And I'm not even worrying about bringing that dark shade in the inner part. Let me go in a little bit closer. Just on the outer part, a light little wing there. And for now, that's all I'm going to do for eyeshadow. I will do a little bit under my eyes, but not until I do my base makeup. So next, I'm going to do lashes. If you're going for a natural everyday look, you don't have to use lashes, but these ones are pretty smaller. They're smaller. It's the Glam Cosmetics lashes in Playful. You can see there that one kind of has the shape. And if you're interested in these lashes or anything on the Glam Cosmetics website, as always, you can use my code Xobecca in all caps, and it'll save you 15% off at checkout, so that's pretty cool. They are going through a rebranding right now, but a bunch of the stuff is still for sale. They're trying to sell out all of the items on the website so that they can put out all new products, or the new rebranded products. So help them out and go buy them some stuff. And it's already discounted right now, and you can get an extra 15% off. So yes. This lash applicator is also available on the Glam Cosmetics website, I believe, unless it got sold out. But last time I checked, I think it was on sale for less than $1, like 75 cents or something. So pick that up while you can as well. These are really nice. I'm going to take the Duo Brush On Lash Glue with Vitamins. I like the brush on because it makes it easier for me. And if you're curious on how I put on my lashes, I actually have a video on my channel on how to apply lashes, and I will try to remember to leave that linked down below so that you can go check that out. I think the name of these lashes is very accurate. It just adds like a playful little touch. See, with lashes, without lashes. The difference even tiny lashes makes is huge. While I'm putting this on, I'm just going to go ahead and throw in my little plug of, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my makeup content. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what kind of makeup look you would like to see from me next. Whether it be something springy or like a smoky eye, which is in the plans. I saw someone say that they want me to do a smoky eye. Or, you know, something Eastery, or let me know what you guys want to see, or not beauty related, or skincare, or crafts. Just let me know what you guys want to see and I can make it for you. Since I'm doing more natural makeup, I'm not going to do full like foundation and everything. I'm just going to throw on some concealer. So I'm going to use the same concealer as I used before, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and cover up them dark circles, baby. I'm going to throw a little bit on my forehead. Since I'm just doing concealer, I'm going to add just a little bit more than I normally would. I'm going to use the same brush as I did before to blend that out. Alright, next I'm going to take the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder to set that concealer. Okay, and then wipe off all of that powder that's on your shirt. Alright, next I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to do my under eyes and mascara. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the Lunar Eclipse shade right here and throw it under the eye. And then mascara. Alright, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to finish my base. So I'm going to start by putting some life back into it by bronzing. I'm going to take the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunlight. Turn that 5 head into a 4 head. And then I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. Not necessary, but I like to. I'm going to take the Rude Cosmetics Blush Crush Blush Palette in Level Up. I'm going to mix a little bit of these two shades right here, Boost and Challenge. I love this blush palette. I highly recommend it. It's very pigmented, so you've got to remember to like tap and slowly build up, because otherwise you'll get way too much at once. Like there, I got too much. Whoops. And it's an easy fix if you do that, because like look right there, I got way too much. Is I take like a big fluffy powder brush. Actually, let me use this one. And I kind of just buff that part in a little bit. And that blends it more to make it look more natural. And there, now it doesn't look like I have too much powder. And then I'm going to do highlighter. I'm going to take the Hard Candy Rose Gold highlighter. And I'm going to swirl those two shades right there, not the dark one. I love highlighter. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush, like a really tiny pointed brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of this in my inner corners and on my nose. Okay, I haven't done natural makeup in a minute, and I'm loving it. I feel so pretty. Lastly, I'm just going to throw on some lip gloss. By the way, before I do that, Nails by Me. I did these. They're pretty cute. Back to the lip gloss. This is the Ofra X Madison Miller lip gloss in Smiley for Ryleigh. That's a cute name. All right. And then like that, I'm done. This is really cute. I really like the sparkly eyeshadow. I'm definitely going to use it again. By the way, I got it in a giveaway. I actually got it in the mail today, and it's so pretty. Let me swatch it on my hand so you can really see it. And it dries down so that it doesn't move. Like in a second when I'm done filming my outro, I'll like rub my hand to show you that it's dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to make. I feel really cute, and I hope you learned how to do a cute, neutral, everyday type makeup. If you are interested in seeing more from me, follow me on Instagram. I post there multiple times a week. Also, I recently started a Snapchat, so if you want to chat with me, it's also Makeupbyxobecca. I don't know if I said that for Instagram. Both accounts are Makeupbyxobecca, the same as my YouTube name, just without the space. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what kind of look you want to see next, and tell me what you think of this one. And also, don't forget to hit the bell button to make sure you get notified every time I post a video. And if you're interested in any of the products I used today, they will all be linked down below. I think that's pretty much it. And this is dry, so see, look at that. It's not budging. There's a little bit of shine on my finger when I do that, but it's pretty much not budging. But yeah. All right, bye guys.